Goodwinds Composites manufactures small diameter carbon and fiberglass rods and tubes, ideal for use as structural support in all sorts of applications and industries. We employ composites engineers, machining specialists, and skilled workers to design and manufacture every standard and custom product per specification. With our fully customized machine shop and our years of experience, we are the industry experts in tight tolerance and complex composites machining. We offer carbon tubes and rods of various standard and custom profiles, solid fiberglass rods, and filament-wound epoxy tubes. Roll-wrapped carbon tubes are infinitely customizable for wall thickness, taper, flexural strength, impact resistance, appearance, and more. Our roll-wrapped composite tubes are flying on Mars as the legs of NASA's Ingenuity helicopter. We specialize in cutting carbon and fiberglass rods and tubes with tight tolerances of plus or minus 0.005 for custom and plus or minus 0.062 for standard cutting. We provide precise grinding for rods and tubes of lengths up to 72 inches, diameters from 0.04 to 1, tolerance of 0.005, and varied surface finishes, depending on your needs. We offer a full line of milling operations for composite products with slotting, notching, and hole drilling options for tubes and rods based on drawings and dimensions. We also offer assembly services for our composites in your products. Everything we produce, machine, or sell is held to high quality standards and checked twice or thrice before heading out our doors. Our customers can count on us to deliver the product to their specifications every time. All our products are sourced and manufactured in the USA. We keep thousands of composites in stock to serve you and would love to work on your project. Contact us today.